heat pump from 2004. And this is one of two at the same single-story house. It is very rare that I will find two package units at the same house, but on some of the larger single-story homes, that's pretty common to find two package units, one for each side of the house. Well, let's get back to the video. Thought I would just address that. This is a 2-ton scroll compressor. And I'll go get the other one. It's the same size. One. It's nestled back here in a corner. Again, it's at the same house, and that's the same size 2-ton.